Welcome, in front of me is a RugGear RG850, and today I'll show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume down. Both of these keys at the same time, so power, volume down. Once you feel the vibration, you can let go. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you'll use volume keys to navigate, so volume down to go down and up to go up. And you want to select the second option, which is reboot to bootloader. And once it's selected, you want to then press power key to confirm it. And give it a moment, it will then boot into the Fastboot mode, as you can see. So that is how you would access it. And if you wish to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold power key. So hold power till the screen shuts off. And hold it once more to turn it back on. And now the device will boot back up into the Android system. And as you can see, now the process is finished and we're back in the Android. So that is how you access and leave the Fastboot mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.